There's parking for two cars outside. It's up on Healy Hutchinson Avenue. Magnificent views. And here we go. It's a semi-detached. So we go up here to the front door. It's really, really quiet up here, I must say. Here's the kitchen with like a storeroom. I guess one could use it as a pantry as well. And then there's a small hatch that goes through to the lounge. Some hanging for coats, whatever, and the little reception area. And here we have this expansive lounge. And look at these views. Absolutely stunning. These massive sliding doors that open out onto this balcony, which we will enter from the main bedroom in a while. Fireplace. All the rooms have ceiling fans, as you can see, lots of natural light. We're going to go through to the main bedroom. Also has beautiful sea views. There's built-in cupboards. Now we step out onto the balcony. Those are the sliding doors leading to the lounge. Look at this. There's a small little vineyard below, which belongs to the neighbor. It wraps around a bit, this balcony in front of the main bedroom. But these are your views. Okay, we're going to go back inside. And here we have a bathroom with just a basin, a loo, a walk-in shower. And we have the second bathroom, which just has the tub with a hand shower, basin, and shelves for linen, etc., and towels. Here we have another bedroom, all got ceiling fans with remote control. Every room has a view. So built-in cupboards. And these two rooms have wall heaters as well. And here we come to the third bedroom. And this one faces up the mountain. Some shelves, more built-in cupboards. And there we have it. Going back through to the lounge. You can see through to the kitchen. And we're back in the kitchen again.